Kali Linux. This is a Kali Linux tutorial video. So we are going to do now penetration testing. Let's go to our first of all, we are going to do Kali Linux setup. So to do Kali Linux setup, so Kali Linux is one of the best tool for penetration testing, and we can do different types of testing here, penetration testing, and also we can do different type of debugging here. So first of all, let's go to uh, command prompt. So I think first of all let's download it. So go to source bottom and we can search here. We must go to, I think that we can go to here. So downloads. Wait for a second. What's your box? Kali Linux installer. Partial download. Partial download. It is now downloading. So just wait for some second. I think we must wait. Okay, it is continuing. Let's do some of the. Let's do in command prompt. So some of the very basic thing that I know of ethical hacking is first of all is open command prompt. So we can do hacking in command prompt. So first of all, download Kali Linux here. After downloading Kali Linux from Microsoft Store, in this Microsoft Store you can found here Kali. Then after that, go to CMD, press Kali, enter. Then Kali Linux will be operate. Kali Linux loading from command prompt. So we can give our command line. So Kali is loading. Wait for some second. It will ask some password, so we must put it. Wait for some second. Kali Linux is data. Okay. Due to my computer is after I think my computer is based for 32-bit. There is storage problem in my laptop because it has root one underscore desktop. So first of all, we can use cd means change the directory. So space slash home, and it directly take us to home directory. So now what can we do is to go back to this, we should rd slash home. What rd command not found. So if we want to go back to that, we should do cd desktop. This is our desktop. So as our file is not bootable, our file is our as we don't as we so it is now running as. Let's wait, I think our computer is running. Okay, so here let's go. Download, yes, partial download. Again, refresh it, right click to refresh and press refresh button. Refresh partial download. So wait for some second. Kali Linux 2020 installer 968 as 680 KB. This is of only 32-bit. You can instead of 64-bit also. So my computer is not capable of 64-bit, but if your computer is capable of 64-bit, use that for a good purpose. This is our computer is not bootable. Our computer is not bootable. Kali Linux text image that we will installing right now. So I will just give you some basic functions here. Now we will run about how to we run about change the directory. Now we will run about so which is this so to know which is this directory, so we must use some command name. I think the command name is so we can use this pwd. It stands for pwd means so the current directory. So enter it, then it cannot search. So for this we must do pwd in smart, so we must do in smart letter pwd. It will show the current directory. Then our next function is copy paste cp. Then cp means copy paste, or we can say it transfer one data to another drive. So for this we must use cp. Then copy paste replace data in another drive. So give one drive name. No, first of all give one file name. So let's make one file. So let's say this is our file. This is not our file. Cp name dot text, then press space here. What can we do is give a directory here. So d is 2 years. So it will not work, I know, because this is not a bootable computer. So look, cannot start name that cannot find name the text source, no source file, because our computer is not bootable. If our computer was bootable, then it shows it opens a file name dot text. For this we are downloading here our Kali Linux, so it will take very much time because my computer is very slow. I just say you now. So for this problem I will show you from here. So again go to internet browser. So after going to here, so then we can do is different things. Now what can we do is pwd we use. Now our turn is of uh, so to open any type of file we will use cat. They have to open a file. So cat name dot text, then if there was file, it open the file. The cat is used to open the file like this. So if I want to remove any type of file, then I say rm name dot text, then it helps to remove the file, but it will not remove because there is no any type of file, because our computer is not bootable. So I will teach you how to do bootable computer. Then now we can make a new directory. So make directory, then we can give a name here. So we can give name in so we can give name that is Tarpon Powder. So it will make a directory name Tarpon Powder in tar, but it will so cannot create directory Tarpon Powder because permission deny will say us. That means that our in this root one, this is just a education apps. In this app we cannot do anything except education. So just I am providing you education here only, so just know about what I'm trying to say. Just run as gain education, nothing you must know other further thing. What is bash? Bash is first of all, before any programming, before Kali Linux, we must know what is bash. So bash, it is a Unix shell and command line user interface. So bash is Unix shell and it is a command line user interface. So what is Unix shell? So Unix shell is those type of shell that gives yeah, I think Unix shell is a command line user face. So it is a command line command line interface, which helps to give a command to the graphical user interface. The command user interface give a command to graphical user interface. That means icon documents. We can see different type of graphical so we can use different, we can see different types of GUI, graphical user interface, like icons, documents, desktop PCs. These all are that we can see now here. These all are GUI, like this CMD, terminal, Windows PowerShell. So different types of that files, terminals. uh, so these types of, and this Kali Linux roaring. So different types of these softwares are command line user interface, and all the Linux is used as uh, common user interface. Now I am going to tell you about one different type of file that is so here we can do is, we can use yeah, ls helps to list the file. So in our home directory, how many type of file there are, we can look. So enter, so it will come, I think so. Look, rs means root one. So this is a computer software, so it say there is only one type of file, that is directory. So I say thank you. Okay, then we can also ask her for, so we can know further commands. To get access to further command, we should do ls minus minus sign, ls minus minus sign, or we can say dash dash, ls dash dash, and we can give our one sign. So have, then press enter. Then now look, this page opens. Now what can we do is move further upward. Then we can see here different types of things. It says us that it gives some syntax here. So when we use this thing, then we so look here. So I think my mouse. Okay, okay, okay. Now or helps to, or do not ignore entire starting with, now almost, or do not reach imply, and author means it helps to shows or author of each file. So every file author we can get from using this. So escape, block size, ignore. So for this we must use dash sign, to dash sign. Every function we must use dash sign, dash sign. So let's do one example here. So we can know time also, time is style, so context, head, version. So these types of things can we use. So I will use now. Okay, 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 okay. So do not ignore entire starting, almost, or do not listen. So look, author, to gain the name of author, print the author of each file. So let's try this with minus r. So we must try this. I will try this minus this dash r. So now is this what I will do is go back to our, line. Then I will say list. Then I will give dash sorry, space yell. Yeah, means, so it will what it will do, oh sorry, list space space here. Okay, no, it's not this ls. So we cannot use our command. So list cannot access no source file. So ls list. Then we can do like this bus command not found. So so we will try until it doesn't come fixed result. So now so we are add as dash add, it has to show us wrong list. So it doesn't show us. Once more try, as this space add, no command not found. So this is, we cannot found undefined command because this is not. So up to now it is not being again partial download. Let's refresh it, and again when we refresh it again it shows partial download. So it is so big file, so we cannot do anything. So for this we have problem. So once more let's go to the we can go to MMB backup standard, so we can do different types of things here. So our problem is here is that, so So I want to give help. So to get help, I do ls dash help. So it will give me one help. So it doesn't give ls list dash space help. So no space should given, I think. So now it will run. Now it will obviously run enter. Okay, it is running now. So let's run some of the command here. Okay, I run little bit command I also run here. So now I will do is uh list wrong list. So let's press L. It is not working, I think. What is happening here? So okay. mm, ls, yes. So it is not working here. So control plus q, we can exit here, or we can do cls. I think it helps to clear the screen. So let's try it. cls c. It is not running now. I think I should go back here. Oh, my computer is being hang. So again go back, here download this image file, refresh. So this is now going to be 100%, 80%. Back up in the data, go to Internet Explorer. Okay, minus sign. Go to root 1 desktop. Again it will right now. Sorry. So refresh it. We will try every idea, refresh. So it is running, taking so much time. So have enter. So now it will refresh a second. So let's be ready for this. Theory, it is not working. When it will work, let's exit. Let's remove this because it is not working. So once more open command prompt. Our software will not develop today. So tomorrow I will do that everything that I will teach you in that practical way. Today I will just give a little bit example of doing every command, so you can do yourself downloading. So first of all, let's go to tomorrow practical video. You will available in this time. I think time is not fixed. You can look anytime. So again, let's go to command prompt cmd command prompt. So press enter. It is not running command prompt here. Command prompt. Oh set, time is not coming here. cmd, so it will automatically run cmd. So we will type carry enter. Carry is loading now. Oh, wait for some second. So now I think after it become 100%, it says us to restart the computer. So when it become 100%, I think our video may be over. So so look how our video goes now. So this is our command prompt. So now I say you are cd ls pwd. Now I am going to tell you about a special command name. So there is one special file that is gonna create a file in Kali Linux. So we can use nano. It is one of the very best. So we can create a one type of file. So for example, I want to create a one file. That file name is .pon powder, or we can say our channel name, technical channel nano powder. Also I can say .pon powder dot, I can say .pon powder dot text. So when I give nano, what the function is nano is to create a file in Kali Linux. It also helps to create a file. So this torch also has to create a file, not a nano. So nano, so first of all I will tell one torch. It's gonna create a file in, sorry, again it become hang. Sorry for this. Always time it become hang because AOME backup or so this backupping data makes us shit, man. Once more, once more it did it. So CMD, okay, okay, arrow, command prompt, okay, enter. Again press carry here. So many time I have pressed carry here. So this is OBS, this is AOMA backup or this is our download function. So erase it, so 2 as open, I think so. No, minimize it, minimize, okay, once more open. So now what can I do is press here carry enter. So I should not do any capital. So if I do capital, my computer will be hang. So I will not use any type of capital. C drive stress, user stress. So our works now, I am just telling you about thoughts. Thoughts have to create a file darpan.txt, then it will create a file named darpan.txt rook. So it already create a file named darpan.txt. We can rook, but this is not a bootable file, so we cannot rook because I don't know. So this is a root desktop, so we cannot find. But if it was really bootable, then we can rook. So we can run that in command prompt also. So now our turn is to make a directory. So for making a directory, make a directory, then what we will do is give a directory name darpan, then like this we will close. So it does not make, cannot create directory darpan permission d9. So make the directory darpan. Yes, now it has. So we cannot use any type of sign. So in that third condition, cannot create a directory darpan because we have used stress. So we cannot use a stress because it will automatically, it will generate by coding. So make a directory darpan. So by this sign it make a directory in darpan. It make a directory name darpan. So to open any types of file cat darpan.txt, it has to uh, open darpan.txt file like this. rm has to remove the file darpan.txt. So it will now automatically remove enter. So it already removed now. Function is to run about nano has to live create a file inside this desktop. So this is a desktop, and in this inside desktop we can create a one file. In Kali Linux we can create a file. So nano, I will give name darpan.txt, and it open one type of terminal. So what it does, it open it has to open a file in Kali Linux, and phones or small terminal or small size where we can do a program. Small desktop occurs where we can do different types of programs. So press enter. Nano dot text. So rook GNU Nano 4.7, this is our version. Darpan.txt. This assign name means Control G, Control O, Control W, Control K, Control J, justify, get help, write out where is context, justify, cursor position, MU, only press MU, it has to undo. So I have pressed Darpan powder. Darpan powder has to do is MU, then sorry Darpan powder, I remove it. So MU, when I press MU, so when I press MU together, Darpan MU, so no, sorry. So Darpan MU, so MU, so MU, I think capital MU. So sorry, Control G, we can get half. Control W, we can save the file from Control W. Oh, sorry, we cannot save. So to close, Control plus X close here. So to save, I will write what type of file we will need: cd, ls, pwd, cp, copy paste, mb, cat, race, grab. The actual meaning of grab is to grab the problem, solve weakness, vulnerabilities. So it is called as to grab. We can say vulnerabilities, that means weakness. We can grab the weakness, spelling error. So like this we can, so again vulnerabilities, I think is spelling again error, so leave it. So grip means to grab, sorry I will not write now. So grab or vulnerability or weakness. So you can be hacker, perfect hacker. So now our turn comes, we can know about sound. ch mode. So man pros help use like this fire. So also like this. Now how to save? To save we must do control plus o. So now we can save, we can rename dot one dot text. Again same file comes. Do you want to save file under different name? No. So how many, what type of file this is? So md darpan folder. So md, no. So I will do n again. So press ma. So control plus ma, I think. So cancer, s, do you want to save on the different name? Yes. So it has been already saved. Now it says row 12 lines. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. It also count this line because we have skipped this line. Cursor position we can see, control by c, this is a cursor position. Mark the text ma, mark the condition, uh, control plus underscore, go to the line. So replace. So for this, control plus slash replace. So source to replace, what do you want to replace? So I want to replace control plus n. New word I want to replace. So control plus n. It is not working. Okay. Control plus n. So source to replace, what do you want to source? So to replace now, what to source? So I want to replace cat. Replace with what? I want to replace with uh, tech. So replace this instead. So press a only or. So we can look here tech. So so let's go to mu, press mu. So cont fn mu, cont fmu. Windows, so Windows, sorry. Okay, mu. So what is this? I couldn't understand it. M dot u. So mu is used for undo. So these are some files that we are going to run. So let's make it man pros. What is this? Man pros help, I think. Then tech race. So here let's write echo also. Echo race in some place. So what about when we race apps? So it shows data in some place only, data in some place only, very clear it shows. So a very clear data this is used. So I think our data is been now downloaded. So this is only that things that we run here. So we also can do different types of things, syntax, hyphens. We must use different types of hyphens. So to save control plus o, I think we must go to back. We have already saved. So control plus c cancel to go exit. Control plus x is our, so c modify buffer. So s, so no, I think x. Control plus c cancel. Control plus x exit. Control plus c cancel. Sorry, no, control plus only n. And now, so we are back in this desktop. This is our id. This is only thing today I will say you everybody. So bye bye for today, this much only. Tata. Don't forget subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is what I will tell for now only. Okay, bye.